Makhraj. Tajweed is to pronounce and read every letter correctly. The place in mouth from where a letter comes out is called Makhraj. They come out from 17 Makhraj and there are total 29 letters in Arabic. Letters. Articulator. Alif. Alif comes out from the empty space of the mouth. Hamza comes out from the bottom part of the throat. Ain comes out from the center part of the throat. Ghain, Ha comes out from the top part, pharynx of the throat. Qaf comes out from the root of the tongue and the soft palate. Qaf comes out from the root of the tongue and the hard palate. Ya, Sheen, Jim comes out from the middle of the tongue and the middle of the palate. Ad comes out from sides of the tongue and the roots of the upper morals. Ra, Noon, Lam comes out from the edge of the tongue and the part of the roots of the teeth towards the palate. Twa, Dal, Ta comes out from the tip of the tongue and the roots of the upper front teeth. Zwa, Za, Sa comes out from the top of the tongue and the inner edge of the upper teeth. Swad, Sin, Za comes out from the tip of the tongue and the inner edges of both upper front teeth. Pa comes out when the edge of the two top front teeth touches the inside of the bottom lip. Pa comes out from the wet part of both lips. Mim pronounced from the dry part of both lips. Wow comes out when both the lips don't touch completely. Gunna, the makhraj of gunna comes out from the nose.